Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're in need of a versatile and convenient trailer that can be easily folded and stored when not in use, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 3 folding trailers available on the market, highlighting their key features, durability, and ease of use. Whether you need a trailer for hauling equipment, transporting goods, or enjoying outdoor adventures, these folding trailers are designed to meet your needs. For more information on the featured folding trailers, including pricing, specifications, and where to purchase them, make sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's dive into the world of the best folding trailers. UltraTow Fold-In Utility Trailer Kit. The UltraTow Fold-In Utility Trailer Kit is a road-ready solution for all your hauling needs. Built with a rust-proof aluminum frame, this trailer combines durability with lightweight construction, ensuring long-lasting performance. The large 4x8 feet bed boasts a generous 1,170 pounds payload capacity, making it perfect for a wide variety of cargo. The convenience of the folding design sets this trailer apart. The front hitch, coupler, and front portion of the trailer are hinged, allowing them to fold back between the wheels. This compact folding size of just 72.5 by 8 inch makes storage and maneuvering a breeze. When folded, the trailer even rolls on casters for added convenience. This utility trailer kit comes fully equipped with a complete LED light set and wiring, ensuring optimal visibility and safety on the road. It also includes the 17 by 8 inch coupler, safety chain with S-hook, two 4.80 12-inch tires, and aluminum fenders, meeting all DOT requirements and road-ready specifications. This trailer is certified for performance and reliability. Whether you're hauling equipment, supplies, or other cargo, the UltraTow Fold-In Utility Trailer Kit offers the convenience, capacity, and durability you need for your hauling tasks. IRONTON Fold-In Utility Trailer Kit. The IRONTON Fold-In Utility Trailer Kit is a versatile and convenient solution for all your hauling needs. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and boasting a large 4x8 feet size, this trailer provides a generous 1,170 pounds load capacity, making it ideal for transporting a wide range of cargo. When not in use, the trailer folds up, saving valuable space and allowing for easy storage. The folding design, with a height of 86.3 by 4 inch, when upright, ensures convenient maneuverability in garages, shops, or sheds. It even rolls on, provided casters for effortless transportation. This fully equipped trailer kit includes two 4.80 12 inches tires, a light kit with a flat 4-wire harness and connector, a safety chain with an S-hook, and a 17 by 8 inches coupler. It meets or exceeds all road-ready specifications and DOT requirements, guaranteeing certified performance and reliability. With its rugged steel frame and the option to add your own decking, the IRONTON Folding Utility Trailer Kit provides a customizable and durable hauling solution. Detail K2 Folding Utility Trailer Kit. The Detail K2 Folding Utility Trailer Kit is the ultimate solution for your hauling needs. This trailer is designed to deliver exceptional performance, durability, and versatility, making it perfect for various applications. With its patented welded steel frame and deck, assembly becomes a breeze, allowing you to spend less time on manuals and more time on the road. This trailer is built to withstand the demands of heavy-duty work. It is coated with a high-performance, anti-slip textured UV powder, ensuring enhanced safety and secure storage. The folding functionality of the trailer remains intact even with its robust construction. This trailer is DOT highway rated and equipped with reliable 5.3 inch into 12 inch tires, providing optimal traction and stability on the road. It comes with a certificate of origin for the Trailer Department of Motor Vehicle Registration, along with your proof of purchase. Whether you need to transport equipment, materials, or other items, the DK2 MFT4X8 trailer delivers unmatched performance. Its combination of strength, easy assembly, and folding convenience sets it apart from the competition. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the best folding trailers. We hope you found the information and recommendations valuable in your search for the perfect folding trailer. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.